In the previous lab, we performed manual joins of a CentOS and a SUSE platform. In this lab, we will be performing self-service joins and scripted joins for a Ubuntu platform and a Solaris platform. We will be performing all these functions using Jesse's account from client 1. Notice the two computer objects in AD for the previous lab. In this lab, we're going to join first an Ubuntu. And notice that I already unpacked the packages for Centrify in here. So I'm going to do a sudo dpkg -i and Centrify dc-5. That will install the basic package here. Right, so what's really important is to understand again from previous, when you install the Centrify agent, it doesn't mean that it's active. It actually means that the binaries are already there, but no changes have been performed to the system. If I look at this environment, I do cat etc nsswitch.conf. Notice that they are for password, shadow, and group. We're still using compat and winbind. So what is a self-service join? In Active Directory, there's the concept of a new computer, right? So that allows you to pre-create a computer object, and so when the person is going to join the machine, they don't need to put in a password. So kind of like a self-service mode. Centrify offers the same capability. All we need to do is go to the zone and right-click the zone and prepare a Unix computer. At this point, we can just do also only the self-service, or as well machine overrides for the legation. So in here, we're going to create a new computer object. We're going to call it Ubu1, which is our Ubuntu machine. And notice that the DNS name is already set up, but we need to change in here. In our scenario, remember, we explicitly defined a separation of duties model in which Jesse can only add objects inside that OU, that Unix OU. So we're going to put it in the service container. And in here, notice that we're also going to set up the service principal names for several services for this machine. Finally, we can just, we're going to allow the computer to join itself. And then we're going to do next, and the defaults are going to be fine for overrides. So the machine has been pre-created, but it's not joined. Notice that in here it doesn't say the OS. So let's finish the last portion of the equation on this side, and all we need to do is an AD join. So sudo AD join, in this case -s for self-service, toll s, and then corp contoso.com for the domain. That's it. So in here it's going to go ahead and it's going to join the domain with minimal information. If I refresh in here, you will notice that now it's notice the OS is already there. Ideally, I would also add the computer to its computer group while doing this, but we're not going to do it. We're going to do it in the next lab. The next way to install and join the system is going to be a really cool one. I have a Solaris machine here, and it has already the Centrify agent files already exploded in here, but I'm going to use a self-service join. Centrify offers this CFG file called Centrify dc-install.cfg, and the context of the file are right here. And what you could do is set up basically an answer file. This is an answer file that tells the installer what are the options that are going to be installed, what is the domain, the zone, and whatnot. And here I already put in information about my join. Notice that I put the Jesse's account to join, domain corp, the zone HQ. One thing that I've done also is that I've commented the OpenSSH because I don't need to install Centrify OpenSSH for now. And it's as simple as this. So I'm going to do install.sh, and I'm already running here as root, so I don't need to do sudo. So we're going to do install.sh and then -N option. And that will actually install, do an AD check, and join the system. Very simple, and it's a great capability because now you can incorporate this scripted option to your enterprise builds and things like that. So let's do in both areas, let's do an AD info. Notice that I'm already joined in here, an AD info over there. We're already joined, and if I go into Active Directory, I can look at the zone. Now I have all my computers in here as well as in here. And this was the lab in which we did a self-service join and answer file installation and join. So I hope this is working for you.